a big news coming in from Delhi Chief Minister's residence. We are informed by sources in the Delhi police that there was a PCR call that was received by the Delhi police. That they got a call from Delhi Chief Minister's residence. And according to our sources, the caller identified herself as Swati Maliwal, who's been heading the Delhi Commission for Women, who's of course has represented Aam Aadmi Party as well. But Delhi police sources are claiming that their PCR received 2 calls and one after another. This was from the Chief Minister's house, which is in Civil Lines in Delhi. It happened at around 9 a.m. Now the PCR call that was made to the police from inside Delhi Chief Minister's house has the caller claiming that I'm Swati Maliwal and there has been a scuffle with her. We're trying to get more clarity on this because this, remember, pertains to Delhi Chief Minister who's recently got interim bail, who's been out campaigning. What happened? Swati was not there when the Delhi police PCR officials, as you can see on your screen as well, rushed to the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. And remember, it's a high-profile zone. It's the Delhi CM residence. Delhi police cannot enter into the Chief Minister's house. There is, of course, a protocol. There have to be permissions taken even if there is a PCR call. So the police is now trying to find out what happened. Who was behind the PCR call? Was it indeed Swati Maliwal or was it a prank hoax call? That's a big news, so that's the latest. Remember, not 1, 2 PCR calls received by the Delhi Police PCR. And these are, remember, when you call on 100, when you call on PCR, these are emergency calls. According to the sources in Delhi Police, they are claiming that the caller identified herself as Swati Maliwal and said there has been a scuffle with her at the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. This is very curious. Swati Maliwal has been a part of the Aam Aadmi Party. She's been an ally to Arvind Kejriwal. If this is her, has she got into a scuffle of any kind? I want to immediately bring in India Today's Arvind Ojha, who's breaking this big news for us. अरविंद, क्या हुआ एग्जैक्टली बताइए, क्योंकि सिर्फ पीसीआर कॉल की बात नहीं है, पर पीसीआर कॉल जिसकी आई है उनका कहना है कि मैं स्वाति मालीवाल बोल रही हूँ।
देखिए, 2 पीसीआर कॉल सुबह लगभग 9 बजे के लगभग मिली है और वो सीएम हाउस के अंदर से पीसीआर कॉल मिली है दिल्ली पुलिस को। दिल्ली पुलिस का कहना है और पीसीआर कॉल में स्वाति मालीवाल बोल रही थी और उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे साथ मारपीट हुई है। जो अरविंद केजरीवाल के पीएस है विभव, उन्होंने मुझे पिटवाया है। बैक टू बैक 2 पीसीआर कॉल हुई सुबह 9 बजे के लगभग। उसके बाद जब पुलिस मौके पर पहुंची तो स्वाति मालीवाल मौके पर मौजूद नहीं थी। हालांकि जो इलाके की पुलिस है वो सीएम आवास के अंदर नहीं जा सकती थी, इस वजह से पुलिस बाहर ही मौजूद थी। पीसीआर कॉल जब चलती है तो एम्बुलेंस को भी जानकारी मिलती है, एम्बुलेंस भी वहां पर पहुंची। स्वाति मालीवाल नहीं पहुंची। स्वाति मालीवाल ने कहा कि मैं बाद में शिकायत दर्ज कराऊंगी। तो अब ये देखना होगा कि क्या स्वाति मालीवाल, इस वक्त मैं सिविल लाइन पुलिस स्टेशन में ही मौजूद हूँ, क्या यहाँ पर आकर शिकायत दर्ज करवाती है। इलाके के डीसीपी वो खुद इस वक्त सिविल लाइन, ये जो पुलिस स्टेशन है पूजा, यहाँ पर पहुंच चुके हैं। लेकिन ये जो चली दिल्ली पुलिस को और बैक टू बैक 2 पीसीआर कॉल सुबह 9 बजे के लगभग मिली है, जिसमें बाकायदा स्वाति मालीवाल के नाम से ही वो नंबर भी रजिस्टर्ड है।
Alert our viewers here. Because I've covered the Aam Aadmi Party, I can tell you Vibhav, who Arvind has mentioned, has been the closest aide to Arvind Kejriwal. He's one of the close confidants. Then there is Swati Maliwal, who's also been with the India Against Corruption and then Aam Aadmi Party, then has led the Delhi Commission for Women. Arvind, क्या स्वाति मालीवाल ही थी कॉलर या पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है कि किसी और ने कॉल किया? क्या ये माना जा सकता है, क्या ये कॉन्फर्मेशन आ रहा है कि स्वाति मालीवाल ने ही कॉल किया और कॉल दिल्ली सीएम रेजिडेंस से ही आई थी?
देखिए, जो नंबर है वो स्वाति मालीवाल का ही है, स्वाति मालीवाल ही उसका इस्तेमाल करती है। और जब कोई पीसीआर कॉल चलती है तो जो कॉलर है उसका नंबर भी दिल्ली पुलिस के पास आ जाता है। नंबर स्वाति मालीवाल ही इस्तेमाल करती है। सीएम आवास के अंदर से ये कॉल हुई है और अब क्या वो वाकई स्वाति मालीवाल थी या नहीं थी, ये तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन का सब्जेक्ट है। लेकिन पुलिस जब मौके पर पहुंची तो स्वाति मालीवाल नहीं पहुंची। हालांकि मामला बड़ा इस वजह से इलाके के तो यहाँ पर पहुंच गए। हम कोशिश करते हैं कि जो इलाके के डीसीपी है उनसे बात करें, लेकिन देखिए ये जो इलाके के डीसीपी है पूजा, ये कुछ भी बोलने से साफ इनकार कर रहे हैं। सुबह से ही जो पुलिस है वो इस पूरे मामले को लेकर
अरविंद गो अहेड, अरविंद गो अहेड, आप बात करें, आप बात करें अगर सीनियर ऑफिसर्स आपसे बात करते हैं. And I'll just give a breather there to Arvind. Possibly he can get that exclusive reaction. What Arvind has broken is very important. This is investigation. We are not saying it's Swati Maliwal who made that PCR call. What we are saying is that a PCR call was received not once but twice by Delhi police on PCR, which is the police control room, which means an emergency. And the caller said, I'm Swati Maliwal. Number appeared to be of Swati Maliwal. Already becoming a huge political showdown. BJP's RP Singh Khalsa is joining me right now. RP Singh, what does one say to it? I want to make it very clear. This is under investigation right now. Swati Maliwal hasn't confirmed it's her. But do you think something is brewing, or was it a prank call?
You remember Anshu Prakash, the Chief Secretary of Delhi, was called midnight, and then what happened with him? And he filed a complaint also that he was mistreated. He was even physically manhandled by the close aide of the CM Kejriwal. So this is there's a track record for this to believe what would have happened, and let the police investigate. But yes, the track record says otherwise, and that is that Kejriwal people or people around Kejriwal generally assault people, or they go physical with people whom they feel that they are not towing the CM's line.
All right, Mr. RP Singh, thank you very much for now, because many would be wondering, and I understand that the viewer is wondering that too, why would Swati Maliwal claim that there's a scuffle? If she is an ally of the Aam Aadmi Party, she's been associated with the party, she's been in the good books of Arvind Kejriwal, was there really a scuffle? Was this a prank call? This is what the investigation currently will disclose.